In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail email fetcher for your private email account in just 5 minutes. First, start by logging into your Gmail account through your usual browser. It's important to have your credentials ready since you'll be switching between your Gmail and private email accounts during this process. Once you've successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of your Gmail interface where you'll find the gear icon. That's your settings tool. Click on this gear icon to open a drop-down menu, and from there select See All Settings to navigate to a more detailed window of your Gmail settings. In this new window, find the tab labelled Accounts and Import located near the top of the screen and click on it. Here you'll access options for managing various email accounts linked to your Gmail. Your next task will be to locate and click on the option that says Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up asking for the email address you wish to link. Enter your private email account address here. Once entered, proceed by clicking Next. The following screen will present you with options regarding how you want to import your emails. Select Import Emails from my other account, POP3, and click Next again to continue. At this point, you'll need to configure a few settings to ensure smooth email fetching. Start by entering your full private email address in the username field. Next, input your private email account password in the corresponding field. To enable Gmail to retrieve the emails under the POP server field, type in mail.privateemail.com and set the port to 995. The security of your email is crucial, so make sure the option for leave a copy of retrieved message on the server is selected if you wish to keep emails in your private emails inbox. For outgoing mail settings, specify the SMTP server address as mail.privateemail.com to match the incoming server configuration. After you have filled in all these details, click Add Account to proceed. Soon after, you'll need to look out for a verification email. Open your private email account and check your inbox for a new message from Gmail that contains a verification code. Once you have the code, return to your Gmail setup window. Enter the verification code into the provided field and click on Verify. This step completes the setup process. Now, your emails from private email should start arriving in your Gmail inbox seamlessly, and you're all set up and ready to go.